Have you ever pondered the health benefits of beetroot juice? Recently, this vibrant, nutrient-packed beverage has been making a splash in the health world, and for good reason. Beetroot is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, boasting an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, organic acids, polyphenols, and fiber. These include vitamins B, C, A, E, and K, as well as minerals like iron, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It's also loaded with organic acids like malic, citric, tartaric, and oxalic, and carries a healthy dose of polyphenols, carotenoids, and glycosides, including betanin, the pigment responsible for beetroot's striking red color. Now let's explore the benefits of beetroot juice. First and foremost, it supports the circulatory system. Iron and B vitamins in beetroot aid in the formation of red blood cells, helping to prevent anemia. Next, beetroot juice is a natural aid for blood pressure regulation. Regular consumption can help to keep your blood pressure levels in check. Thirdly, the juice has the ability to dilate blood vessels, which reduces the risk of heart diseases and helps prevent atherosclerosis. Betanin, found in beetroot juice, also has antioxidant and antiseptic properties, bolstering the immune system and helping to fight off infections. Lastly, beetroot juice can support the nervous system. B vitamins and nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, improve muscle blood flow and overall body stamina. You can enjoy beetroot juice in a variety of ways. Try a classic beetroot juice recipe or mix it up with some carrots or apples. For those with anemia, fermented beetroot juice can be a great option. When starting out, begin with small amounts and gradually increase the juice content. You can dilute it with water or other juices to suit your taste. However, do remember to take certain precautions. Beetroots contain oxalates, which can exacerbate symptoms of rheumatism, kidney stones, and gout. And while it's great for lowering high blood pressure, it might cause hypotension in those with already low blood pressure. In conclusion, beetroot juice is a natural and delicious source of many nutrients, offering numerous health benefits. But remember, moderation is key, and always consult with a doctor if you have existing conditions or are pregnant. So why not give beetroot juice a try and experience its benefits firsthand? And if you do, don't forget to share your experiences. It's always great to hear how natural ingredients can contribute to good health. If you found this information helpful, do like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Your support is what keeps us going strong. Until next time, here's to good health naturally.